It was a very funny story. And we were invited to, if you know, Austin University, Texas. We people there, and when we arrived, we could not find our hotel, and we see that one family, like Hasidic family, they are standing somewhere, and I started to speak Yiddish to them, and they took us to the place where we had to stay. It was like a parole, like a password. Of course, yeah, it is, like a password, that's right. And sometimes I start to speak Yiddish with the people, with the religion people in United States, and they like it very much because, you know, I don't have kippot, and they think if I am not religion, like how I know Yiddish, and they start to ask me some questions, and it's very interesting for me to speak to them. I think you have such situations also sometimes. Yeah, so it's very interesting, yeah.